So these guys just got riled up by the dog barking. But even still, Daisy, here. Good girl. Peanut, here. Peanut, come here. Good boy. Here, Daisy. Gotta get the leash in the right length. Okay, so we'll keep them both like 2 feet long. Let's go. He's gonna want to go because see, he already gave me the look. What the hell are you doing this to me again for? Here. Good girl, good boy. So every time they go in front, see, he's going in front. Here. Bring him back behind you. They got to stay behind you. His head can cross the plane, but his body can't. Let's go. Here. Got to go back. Now, I'm not going to teach him how to do this because he already knows what I want. It's just a game he's playing with me right now. Let's go. Easy. She does it automatically. See, he knows. It's just a game he likes to play. This guy's, he's the best. So they walk beside you. If they start going in front, then back to the back of the line and start over and start over and start over. Repetition, repetition, repetition. It's so easy. Basically sums it up. Lesson's over. Let's go. Go play. He's gone. Daisy doesn't even want to go too far. She's already ready to walk beside me. We've been out for a long time. See? She walks beside me automatically now.